I spend a lot of time posting the item. Can you tell me the quickest way to post? I have to wait for a long time inside the post office. So the best way to do it, if you are on a pay-as-you-go, you don't have a Royal Mail business account or Hermes business account or any other courier business account, then sign up for their for the Royal Mail. There is a click and drop. For Hermes, there is their porter as well. So you can attach those like a click and drop. You can attach those to your eBay store. So once somebody will buy something from you, the whole address and the shipping details will be inside the Royal Mail click and drop. So within one click, you can generate as many labels you want, like depending on how many orders you get, of course. So once you generate the label, you need a printer for this one. So once you print them, you can, if it's on a pay-as-you-go, if they are, again, if they are something which is really big, like a medium parcel or something like this, you will have to drop that inside the post office. But for the small letter, large letter, and a small parcel, Royal Mail have this bigger boxes. So they have like a red boxes where you can slip the letter through and the large letter through inside them. But at some places, and nowadays at like almost in every local area, they have a parcel box as well. So you kind of open that box and then slip the parcel inside of it, and then you can close it. So that's the way you can actually send the small parcels inside. If you put them all inside the bag and you just go there, drop all of them inside that bigger box, it's easier for you and it's gonna take you less time. That's the one way if you're on a pay-as-you-go. The next thing that you can do is, and the minimum requirement, I mean, there is no official minimum requirement from the Royal Mail, but once you call them to and ask about the business account, they will ask you how many parcels or letter or large letter, like how many items you send out inside in a week. So the minimum they require you to send about 100 items per week. So if you get around 100 orders per week, you can apply to have an online business account. Online business account is not pay as you go. So once you apply for it, there will be credit checks and stuff like this as well. So there is a process that you have to go through, and whatever the postage is you're going to use within 1 month, they will send you invoice for that postage, and the money for that will be collected from your account via direct debit. So this is, you can look into online business account, and once you have an online business account, what you can do is same, you can attach online business account with a click and drop as well. But click and drop, you have to pay money from your credit card, debit card, or PayPal. But with the online business account, you can generate the label at any time, and you're gonna get the invoice for that one after 1 month, as in total, like whatever you use in a month. Some people have a less period than that as well. So once you receive an invoice, once you generate all the label from a click and drop, Royal Mail give you free packing supplies. So packing supplies, not like to pack your item. They give you like a big gray bags where you can put all the parcels and letters and everything inside the bag and put your clip on it, and then you have to put your account number and stuff like this on the bag and drop as a whole bag inside the post office. So you don't have to really even queue inside the post office. In my local post office, they have a trolley there. So once you go there, just drop your bag inside that trolley, and then the Royal Mail van will come and then collect it from there as well. So this is a very best way to really speed up your postage. And then on the other thing, using the right type of packing supplies is very important as well. So in the beginning, I remember, and I believe a lot of people, you are using the right type of supplies. So in the beginning, for the small parcels, like I was using a bin bags, and I used to wrap the bin bag around the item and then put the sellotapes and everything, and that can take a really long time as well. And trust me, that it's going to be expensive as compared to buying your packing supplies. You can buy them for really cheap from eBay as well, and from Amazon nowadays. So that can take you, can save you a lot of time. So for example, if you have to slip kind of one item inside that, just to peel that thing off and then close it, And compare this to wrapping the bin bag around and then putting the sellotape. It might not be a lot of time when you're posting 1 or 2 items, but once you have to post and pack about hundreds and hundreds of orders in a day, every little minute it is very important. So overall, not using the right type of packing supply can take you very long time. So this is something that you have to improve. Look into business account and use the right kind of packing supply, and you will be able to speed up this process.